Hi everyone, today we are driving the 2026 BMW iX. So BMW iX is one of the largest SUV and special SUVs offered by BMW because it is an all-electric BMW offered. And what we are setting today is the 60 version of it, kind of a mid-trim-ish thing, which has 580 horsepower as well as 580-ish pound-feet of torque, which to me is just a lot of torque and a lot of power for a car of this size. And we will just quickly check out in this test drive how crazy the performance of these kind of a full-size SUV is from BMW. So 0 to 60 on this car obviously is just around 3 seconds, which is crazy. Like 3 to 4 seconds, which is crazy for a SUV of these size. It's like so big. And in this review I'll just take it throughout the city as well as the highway to see how good the ride quality as well as the performance of these electric BMW is. So right now we're just driving at lower speeds, and the suspension and everything is so good and so tuned that you don't feel anything at all. Like it's just we have lots of bumps and stuff here, but I don't feel that much of those bumps. It's just so nice and so soft that you feel like you're just riding on clouds or something. But it's just so good. I mean, in terms of like the overall suspension quality, it's so good. In lower speeds it's just very, very quiet, very, very soft, and it's just like phenomenal. So as I said, this car has a ton of performance. We have more than 570 pound-feet of torque and as well as horsepower. And the good thing about all these electric cars is that that amount of torque is instantly available. So right now we are going 70, and as soon as I put my foot at the gas, it's 90. Like it was like milliseconds or something. It is so fast. I mean, this is just unbelievably fast car, which sometimes might get dangerous if you're just not aware of that much of power this car offers. As soon as you touch the gas pedal, I think we are in the sport mode right now. This car is just so crazy to move. I mean, just unbelievable amount of power. And this is just similar to other electric cars. They are just offering a ton of crazy amount of power. And the brake feel is also like amazingly well. It's just so fast to get up to speed, but at the same time it's so smooth to lower your speed and stop at a safe speed. So it's, you see, it's 60 and then I push and then it's so good. I mean, this is so crazy power. It's just right now I think the speed is like 50-60, and this car doesn't want to go that slow. It should just do 200-300 with this one. It's just so quick. It's just there's like a one pedal thing that's just turned on right now, so as soon as I lift my foot off the gas it just stops a bit abruptly and annoyingly, I guess. But putting that aside, the performance that these car offers is just so crazy. Like it's just no issues at all. We have around 580 kilometers of range in a full charge. Right now it's just 71, and we have 402 kilometers, which is still like pretty good, right? It's like a decent amount of range offered by this car. All right, so as we are just emerging on the highway, I just want to put more focus on the performance of these vehicles, because I think it's all about performance in these electric cars. They're crazy. So yeah, as I said, we're just right now going 70, and as soon as I do anything, the car just goes crazy fast. Like it's just unbelievable amount of power, but you don't have any paddle shifters. Obviously you can't just control the transmission. There aren't much of fun with these vehicles as far as, I don't know, transmission and sounds and stuff is concerned. If you really like those kind of stuff, then this car is probably not a fun car for you. Although it's just like so quick, like so crazy in performance. As soon as I push, it just goes. So let's just put it back in the personal mode. Just gauge cluster changes. As you can see here, we have this augmented reality view thing, and as soon as I put it in this adaptive cruise control, then it just shows like what car is detected in front of me and all that stuff. I'm just going to set it to the speed, and it just detects the car in front of me. It just driving by itself, controlling the steering wheel and everything, and it's just so nice. I love these design on the BMWs. Always asking you to put your hand on the steering wheel, but it just shows you the target vehicle, like it just detected as just the main car to keep the distance from, which is like amazing. Like all the like expensive BMWs offer like a similar thing. And when I'm just, you know, using my turn signal, if there's a car right beside me, and just vibrates the steering wheel, which is also like pretty cool as well. Like so nice to have these features as well, like, you know, and rather than just having those, you know, beeps or something from other cars, it just vibrates your steering wheel, which is like pretty cool as well. But I think that that cruise control and everything works on any speeds, right? Let's just give it a try. Yeah, it's just stopping, and so it just works on any speed, and it works actually very well, like just controlling the steering wheel and controlling the distance. It's just so good, and it's just easy to activate. And again, I can't tell you enough how much I love this augmented reality view thing. It's just so cool to have it on a car like this, although it's just like an expensive car. It's more than $130,000. Yeah, so the performance wise, the ride quality is extremely good. It's just very soft. This car is just extremely fast, and it has lots of options. One thing that I forgot to mention is that these safety packages, like these driver assistant packages, needs to be purchased, and it's not available on all the trims. Even the highest trim, if you go with that, you still have to pay to get these you know, advanced driver package, which is around $3,000 extra. And with that said, we have reached the end of these test drive for these 2026 BMW iX. So if you have any questions about these cars or any comments about this video, I would be happy to see them down below in the comment section, and hope to see you all in the next videos. Thank you.